everybody, this is Praxis and I'm back on site again today working more on these bathroom walls. You'll notice I'm wearing safety goggles. At the end of this video I'm going to be using the nail firing tool to shoot nails down into the floor with the gunpowder charges and everything. So I'll be doing that at the end, but first I want to kind of catch you up on what I did yesterday. You guys might recall I roughly put this framed wall together, and I got it in here to make sure it kind of fit. But I didn't actually install it until I got here today because I didn't want to feel rushed at the end of the day yesterday getting it up. I always feel like I'm a little more precise at the beginning of the day when I'm fresh and I come in. So beginning of the day today, got it up there, triple checked all the measurements, got it all braced out, put it in, and now this thing is pretty perfect. It's bent out a little bit over here, and I'm about to start controlling that with this wall here. Once I install this short little wall here in the corner, it is going to allow me to pull this wall out to make it all nice and flush and make it a perfect 60 1/8 inches wide across there. So I'm going to just fire a few nails into the bottom here. I'm using pressure treated boards down on the sill just as a way of preventing issues with moisture down in the corners. This is the tool that's used to fire the nails in. I usually put the nail in first, in the end here, and then I get one of these 22 caliber rounds, put it in there. Once I kind of have this set up, I like to kind of have it not facing me, which is just good practice for any kind of a firearm. Get the charge in there, and I'm going to hold it. Oh, forgot to put these on first, and now I'm pointed at my leg. There we go. It's kind of loud, especially in here, it echoes a lot. So making sure this is perfectly right where it wants to be. Ready with the nail. And we give the back a tap with the hammer. First, double check it, making sure it's nice and square in there. Here we go. All right, and if the nail doesn't go in all the way, just give it a few taps with the hammer. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to eject the cartridge. There we go. Put another one in. And the charge there. All right. And I'll put one more on the back side over here. Looks good. And here we go. All right. And eject it. So now that I've got this in place, well, I'm going to put a few more on the back here, and then this will allow me to really control that part of the wall. Inch by inch. That's it. Thanks for watching.